If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new cooking recipes and travel videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Rava Idli mix and instant Rava Idli. Ingredients required are oil, 2 cups of idli rava, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, finely chopped green chili, curry leaves, ginger, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, some cashews. Let's start the preparation. Keep one pan for heating. Once the pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, keep stove heat to medium. Add mustard seeds. Add urad dal, chana dal, finely chopped green chili, ginger, curry leaves. Add cashews. Saute these for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of roasting, cashews and urad dal have become golden brown color. Now we have to add idli rava. Give it a good mix. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Here I have taken idli rava. You can take any coarse rava. Green chili and curry leaves have become crisp. It's 4 minutes now. Switch off the stove. Take this on any plate or tray. Spread this properly and allow this to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Idli rava mix has cooled completely. We have to add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this well. I am going to transfer this in mixing bowl so that we can mix properly. Rava idli mix is ready to make Rava idli. You can store this in airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks in refrigerator. Whenever you would like to prepare Rava idli, you can use this Rava idli mix. It is very simple to prepare and healthy. Please try this at home and save your time in preparation of breakfast and evening snacks. Now you know how to make Rava idli mix. Let's see how to prepare Rava idli using this ready mix. For that we need Rava idli mix, finely chopped coriander leaves, yogurt or curd and water. Take one mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of Rava idli mix. Add half cup yogurt, finely chopped coriander leaves. Add little water and mix this well. it needs some more water. Close the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. Rava idli mix has become thick now. We have to add some more water. We have already added salt to Rava idli mix. You can check the taste of salt. If it needs, you can add. Now we can pour batter in the idli plates. I am going to keep some roasted cashews. Tap it. I have stacked idli plates one above the other. In 1 cup of Rava idli mix, we can make 8 to 10 idlis. Now these plates are ready to go in the steamer. On medium stove heat, we have to steam idlis for 10 to 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. Switch off the stove. Allow idlis to cool for 2 to 3 minutes in the same plates. Now we can take out the idlis. Soft and fluffy idlis are ready to enjoy. We can eat these Rava idli with coconut chutney or sambar. You can see idlis are very soft and fluffy. Rava idlis are very quick to make and taste delicious. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.